Okay, the PWK amplifier is finally completed. I don't know, can't even remember how long we've been working on this guy. It's 5 watts channel, 6A5G, push-pull, designed in 1945 by PWK, Paul W. Klipsch if you don't know. And let's turn her on. So it looks like she's up. Does indeed go to 11. PWK's original version did in fact go to 11 40 years before Spinal Tap. Front Panel Express did the panel work for us. Chris Hornbeck helped me through all the hard parts. It'll sound better when it's on the original #1 Khorn. Can't believe it's finally done.